Cosmic rays are extremely energetic particles that travel through space at nearly the speed of light. These enigmatic particles primarily originate from supernova explosions and other high-energy astrophysical events. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they collide with molecules, creating a cascade of secondary particles that can affect our technology and biology. Interestingly, cosmic rays contribute to the production of nitrogen in the atmosphere and even influence cloud formation. Understanding cosmic rays not only sheds light on the mechanics of the universe, but also helps scientists predict their potential effects on space travel and satellite operations.